Hello, food safety lovers. Welcome to another episode of Food Safety Hall with Norma. Are you unintentionally putting your family's health at risk in the kitchen? These common 10 kitchen hygiene mistakes will surprise you. But don't worry, I'm here to help you, to show you how to be safe, keep your kitchen clean, and live a healthy life. Let's dive into it. Mistake number 1, cross-contamination. Do you know you can cross-contaminate your food by using the same chopping board for your raw poultry or fish for your ready-to-eat product? But you don't have to do that because you can get 2 chopping boards. You can get ones that have different colors, and that will make it easier for you and your household. You use one for your raw food or your raw poultry or your raw meat, and use the other one for your ready-to-eat product. For example, your salads, right? You're not gonna cook them. So when you use the chopping board for the raw meat and also for your salads, you contaminate the food, and you can get sick from that because the raw meat are heavy carriers of pathogenic organisms. These are the organisms that make you sick. Mistake number 2, not washing your hands. A lot of the times, people just walk into their kitchen to make food or prepare food without washing hands. It's very important that we wash our hands properly, especially when we touch the raw meat or raw food or raw eggs, right? So when you're cooking and you're going from one ingredient or one type of food to another, make sure you wash your hands. When you come from outside, come from the washroom, go from your kitchen to the room, come back to the kitchen, you want to make a meal, make sure you wash your hands. Hand washing is really important in food preparation, and we always suggest 20 seconds of hand washing with soap. If you don't remember 20 seconds, always sing a happy birthday twice. That always works. Mistake number 3, preserving or storing your food. Make sure that you are able to store your food properly. Ensure that, when you make food, you don't leave it on the countertop for a long time. You transfer the cooked food or your rice or your stew within 2 hours of cooking. Don't leave it out because some of them will start breeding organisms. Some of the organisms in the raw food that you made didn't die when you cook them. So when you leave it out, they will just sprout up again. They will start, calling your name because they are right there. Or the food will start getting recontaminated. Ensure that you store the food within 2 hours. Don't leave it on the countertop for a long time. Mistake number 4, cleaning your cutleries. Cleaning the utensils you use in the kitchen properly. Don't use the same knife for the same another ingredient or another kind of product in the kitchen. Make sure you wash them. You can contaminate what you do. Use a knife to clean the meat without sanitizing it, then you cut avocado or cut orange. You're gonna get sick. Make sure you put attention to these little things and clean your knives, clean your utensils in the kitchen. It's really, really important. Mistake number 5, expired ingredient. A lot of people do not look at their ingredient expiration date or the best before date. Make sure you visually check for mold, especially on the cheese, on the milk. You can smell and check, the expiration date. Make sure you know when the ingredients in your pantry, in your refrigerator is expired. Throw them out. Or we follow what we call first in, first out. It's a FIFO. Is the acronym used in the industry. It could help you at home also. Whatever comes in first should go out first. So make sure you follow that to not get sick. Mistake number 6, cooking your food thoroughly. How do you know? Visually, we can see. Always make sure you use a thermometer. Kitchen thermometer is advisable for every kitchen to have. If you don't have it, purchase one. I know a lot of people say, oh, my grandma has been cooking me this way, but someone has been getting sick. Sometimes you're not diagnosed. Nobody knows it's Listeria or E. coli, right? So make sure you use a thermometer to check your food to avoid diarrhea, to avoid getting to the doctor. So ensure you don't get sick and you don't get people sick around you. So when you're roasting that turkey or that chicken, check with a thermometer to make sure it's thoroughly cooked. Your sponges, that's mistake number 7. Mistake number 7, make sure that the old sponges are thrown out or sanitized. Make sure you sanitize them. Make sure the kitchen towels are sanitized also. Don't use them on the dishes, when you want to wipe your dishes. Make sure that the towels are properly cleaned because you're reintroducing microorganisms into the plates that you've already washed. So what's the use of washing the plate if the towel to dry the plates are dirty? Mistake number 8, kitchen surfaces. These are your countertops. A lot of the times we have moles on the countertops. I've seen them. So those black things that you can scrub away, make sure you scrub them away. Clean, disinfect the surfaces and sanitize your kitchen surfaces. It's really important you take your time to clean them properly. Clean them properly. It's really, really important. Mistake number 9, improper hand drying. Ensure that your towels to dry your hands are clean. This is really, really important because what's the use of washing hands and the towels are dirty and you're still using the dirty towels? Make sure they are clean. Make sure you keep them clean. If you don't have reusable towels or if you can afford them, get a disposable paper towel. Those are easy. You use them, you dispose them. Make sure that those are done. And mistake number 10, which is also a pro tip. Do you know that to keep your sponges clean, you can actually sanitize them in the microwave just for 1 minute? Here you say bye to hidden germs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more food safety advice every week. Thank you and have a wonderful time.